Hello and welcome to Finance for Beginners. Today we are going to learn how to activate the Payoneer card. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly you need to open the Payoneer. So in order to open it, you just need to go to your web browser. After that you need to type in Payoneer and click enter in your keyboard. After that the web source result will be shown. Just click on the first web source result. That will be the official website of the Payoneer. So when you have clicked on it, you just have to log in and sign in, and this is the interface that is shown to you when you have successfully logged in and signed in. Now to activate the Payoneer card, you just need to go to the top right corner in the person icon. Just click on the person icon. After that there is a support center option that is on the second last. You just have to click on the support center. After that the Payoneer official support center will be opened, and you just have to scroll down a little bit, and there is a section of my Payoneer card. You can just click on the ordering and activation, that is on the second option. Just click on the ordering and activation, and after that you just have to scroll down a little bit, and there is an option to how do I activate my card. You just click on how do I activate my card, and these things will be shown. So you just have to follow all the steps that is shown to you in this screen, that is shown to you when you click on the how do I activate my card. And if you still have confusion and you want to get more detailed answer, then there is an contact us option. You just have to click on the contact us option, and this page will be open to you. Now you just have to select your language, and your question has been already chosen here, and you need to add more about your question, and you just have to choose the file and give them the details of your card, and you can just submit, and the Payoneer Support Center will help you to activate your Payoneer card. This is how you can easily activate your Payoneer cards. If this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.